or it might notify the bell.
Something's brewing.
But you don't know what. I'm going to use my openers from Crawdaddy Forge. Yeah, it's a neck knife. Bottle opener record. I'll put a link to him down below.
Bill Gowdy checking in.
Will you look at that vessel?
Filming him.
Just look at that vessel of amber goodness. Huh? A vessel of amber fluid. I've been waiting all day for this. I really have.
You can tell we're with a bunch of YouTubers because Lost on Land is filming.
Thanks, Mark.
C-Dub Jr., C-Dub Journey is filming. Vicky's got the knives, he's ready to kill.
I don't have much signals out here. There's no Verizon signal, no television, so I may be delayed on this video, but you'll get to see it, that's for sure. It just won't be as action-packed. That's sorry about that. Can't help it. We're out at where?
LBJ Grasslands.
Where?
LBJ
Grasslands. At some camping spot out in the middle of nowhere. Let me tell you. All right. I'm out for now.
Bill Gowdy out.
So he's thinking I got a cell phone number.
Right.
Yeah.
Right?
He comes back and he goes, yo. And then about 10 minutes later, I asked him, I said, what can you not eat? Because I was thinking about making egg rolls up here.
Yeah,
So he goes, yo, I really don't like camels.
I know the answer to that, by the way.
I don't
I
know.
really don't like camel scrotum soup. That's certainly one food I do not want to eat or ever try. Then he comes back and he says, and also I don't want to eat or ever try any freeze-dried baby mice or any other Chinese delicacy. Eating pets such as dogs and cats just does not sound appetizing to me. A little bit later he says, Papa, when you coming through, the boys got presents for you and they're anxious wanting to see you.
Somebody started
That's what I'm
having fun with this, right? Amazing.
I gave him the coordinates of where we're at.
Arab hater, come up here tonight. That's what all this traffic's about.
I told him I got ribeyes for everybody. He comes back and he goes, damn, I'm working at the moment too. Guess I'll miss out. And I said, completely. And he comes back and goes, it won't be too bad since we got a slab of Kobe beef and twice baked potatoes that we're eating for dinner. Good night, God bless.
It's the potatoes that should have clued you in.
Yeah.
He's not going to eat
No
potatoes.
carbs. And I'm going,
How y'all do this long hair down? Mary, Papa?
Here's Mary.
There's Mary.
There's Mary.
I promise you would not sleep alone tonight.
Welcome to the club. I love it.
Maybe Mary and Eric can hang out later.
So, Papa is a member of the Coconut Gardeners Club. That's your new plant manager. Oh my.
That's your new plant manager over everything.
I think that was started by the Birch Tree Garden.
Is the what? Guardian Gardener.
Guardian Gardener.
Lost is flying the drone. Lost is smiling. She's flying her drone. It's Papa, Texas. Not really, that's an imposter.
That's the imposter.
I'm trying to do something here.
Papa, Texas.
It's Papa. Papa, Texas. PT. That'd be me. Pretty terrific.
That'd be me.
Papa, Texas.
Hey, Vicky.
Powerful wind
Yeah, buddy.
wrecked Papa Texas's canopy there.
Oh yeah, everybody's videotaping.
Lonestarrider giving a lesson on his sleeping bag roll, cowboy roll. Lost flying the drone. Papa Tex coming out with a cold chill mo.
Yeah, so it's a modern day cowboy.
Sun's getting ready to set through all the haze, so it's not as bright. Almost looks like a full moon. That is the sun. The law says that this is Gowdy Fest 2018. This is April, Friday the 13th. There's 8 of us here.
I'll send him a message.
C-Dub's over there taking pictures of the lake. And there's the man himself, Mr. Bill Gowdy.
Yeah.
He's already checked in.
Go to a Punksy Fest.
Then you send that file, right?
5 million
Papa.
people.
Yes.
Hit that.
Take number 5,182.
It's just amber goodness.
Bill Gowdy checking
Amber
in.
fluid. A vessel of amber fluid.
Look at that.
Y'all have fun sitting at home.
I already
doing
said it
nothing
was
but
Papa
watching
Texas.
YouTube videos.
Get outside and do something.
We're not watching YouTube videos.
No, not at all.
We're making them
here.
instead.
No,
They're food.
they're recording
I
me
don't
over
even have
here.
a signal out here.
Got cameras all over the place.